Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. Here to show you guys how to do a speaker terminal. Oops. And there it is. Get y'all a little bit more closer. But yeah, gonna do the speaker terminal. Should go through here. Let's take it apart so I can show you guys exactly what come on to the what you need. It's a lot. Thanks to my brother Mike, he sent me this. But this showing you guys what you need to go get in order to make that speaker box. Man, in order to make the speaker wire terminal, that's what it's called. I don't even know. So evidently I'm trying to make it cool. I'm trying to get it right on here for y'all guys. Hold on. There we go. So you gotta get two. Let's check it out. You gotta get two washers, two small washers, lock nuts, two big washers, two small washers, and two screws, and a screw. So all that is gonna go on opposite sides. All right. It's actually my first time doing it, so which ain't nothing, I mean, it's not. It shouldn't be hard to do. This would be the I don't know. It's so big. Yep. So let's go. Such power. You got to drill. Just make sure you tighten it up real tight. I'm gonna do another hole. Let's see. Try to make sure you have a vacuum around too. Or if you be in your garage or something. Very easy. Keep it from being too messy. All right. So now we're gonna try to put the screw up in there. There we go. See if I can see the screw on the other side. Make sure. You might have some little excess wood on the other side too. But make sure you get a good grip on it on the other side. All right. Okay. We'll probably go with this a little bit. Twist it on there. Maybe the drill bit I got was a little bit too big. But it's okay though. It's okay. You're going to repeat this same process on the other side. And there you go. That's your little next connection for the speaker wire right there. Let's see what we did on the other side. Yep. A little bit harder to get on the other side, so we're going to push it back just a little bit. Right here. This is pretty cool. Yeah. All right. Hard to see. Make sure you get like at least for this one, let's get like a 1/4 drill bit. I think I would have liked it a little bit more tighter up in here. I don't know for sure. That's one edge, and that's the other side right there. Now all you should have left is the two unlock buds. I'm gonna do another one on another side so we can have negative and positive. But yeah. Well, that's one side. Let's do another side real quick. See, that's the other hole. All right. And sawdust usually like to go anywhere, but I give y'all the satisfaction of looking at it. There y'all go. All right. Let's get the other one. Let's get the other one. Give me 1 minute. All right, all right. We're done. Just all I gotta do now is just, put the wires on there. But once I get the wires done, then I'll let you guys know. But other than that, man, I hope you all enjoyed another vehicle. Another vehicle. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you do, smash that like button. Yep. Also, we can look at my little tweeter box I got making up. We'll do more video on that too. It's a little slow progress. I admit I've been a little lazy. You know what I'm saying? But I will get back busy if I can get everything done. Showed all on the beginning. If you haven't watched the beginning of the video, then watch the beginning of the video to show you guys what you need to make this terminal. It wasn't much. So, all right. If you're new, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.